This Cozy Coupe Funhouse comes with multiple activities. It has little flip items here. You can open and close this door. You have squeakers, you have shapes, a little abacus, some spinny functions, some sounds. So all sorts of stuff. It is for 12 months plus, which is really nice. And it says 8 shapes and letters to store 8 sensory features.